Hey, what's up, Bukas gang? Hope you're doing good. If you're new, it's your boy Brand Buka. There's a new video, man. And today I want to prank Melanin V, man. I went to buy some milk. Yes, because I wanted to take some Vitamix, but we finished milk, so I'm just in the lift, and I'm decided just to do this intro here before I go inside. She knows that we want to do a sit down, but me, I'm going inside to prank her. Yes, I can't wait for this because Lanvi has been pranking me so many times, but I've not pranked her in a long time. So I want to prank her that I feel like I want to have the Airbnb for myself and just enjoy the staycation, the remaining days of staycation alone, and I don't need her in that house. I just want her to go so that I can remain there. So let's wait, guys, and see her reaction. I can't wait to see how she'll react. Yes. So right about now, I just want to walk out of this lift and go and let's do this, guys. Yeah. I know she'll be mad. I know she'll be surprised because I'm the one who surprised her with this staycation. And now I'm just telling her that I don't want her here. I know she'll be surprised. But let's wait and see if it will work. I hope it works. If it works, you'll watch this video. If it doesn't work, you'll not be able to watch this video. So come along with me and let's do this, guys. Yeah, it's recording. I think so. Watch an angle.
Oh, I'm so sad.
Why?
Sleeping too much. Hey guys, welcome. Let's do it. Hey guys, welcome back to ni channel yako babe. Wewe unafaa kusema.
Babe. Kitu kitu kusema kwanza before to shoot. I have something to say.
Lazima tuseme sasa. Ungengoja tumalize video.
Just it won't take long. Nataka nikwambie and then tumalize, then you can see what else. So hope usichukulie vibaya.
Ukubeba besi ya kamera au ukubeba nini? Because you know we're supposed to have a photo shoot.
I did. I just have something to say. Usichukulie vibaya. Sawa.
Acha hizo. Tuseme.
Mimi niko na feel hivi. I just need to spend the remaining days of this staycation peke yangu.
So unataka niende wapi ukisema peke yako?
Niko serious. Unacheka na niko serious.
So ukisema peke yako yet tulikuja hapa pamoja. Si tulikuja pamoja ama?
Yes.
Na ni only book.
Yes.
So unabook alafu unakuja kuniambia nitoke ama?
I feel too like hizo days you may have zimetosha and now I just want to have so
Is this a prank?
unacheka nini? Niko serious. Then a joke.
Unajinga. Chani kunywa maji kwanza and let you cool down and make sense. You're not making any sense.
Not making sense, Saji.
Sasa unataka kubaki peke yako.
Yeah. I feel too like yes, we have had good time. We have had very good time. But honestly, I feel some sort of time will do good for me. Itakuwa tu sawa.
So no make sense. Tumekuja pamoja.
Yes.
So what do you mean here to spend the rest of the staycation peke yako?
See, that's what I feel like. Why do you mtu free kusema kitu ana feel?
Acha ujinga. Tushoot kitu tumalize.
Niko serious, baby.
Acha ujinga.
Nataka uende.
Unataka niende wapi? Where do I go?
You go back home.
When do you uende?
Listen, Victor.
No, I'm not going back.
I want you to go. I want you to go.
No.
Back.
You go. You bring me to a staycation alafu expect nitoke niende. Ati juna una feel seriously kuna mchezo like you're joking.
I'm not joking, niko serious.
You're not even making sense. Let's shoot this video tumalize.
Nza kuitia
Uber. Because that time ina move.
Big uende. a joke.
Who makes sense?
Does it make sense?
You're joking.
I'm not joking.
But then you're wasting time to shoot.
I'm not wasting time. Mwenye nakwambia tunafeel hapa hivi. Usinichukue ka joke.
Unajua unakuanga na jokes mingi by the way sana.
Easy joke.
Una making a lot of very dry jokes, very weird jokes.
Easy joke.
Unakuanga na jokes mingi to shoot kitu tumalize.
Easy joke baby.
Acha hizo.
Sikudai kwa hii hao. Hausikii which part of it are you ski? Sikudai kwa hii hao.
Acha hizo.
Ama nataka ni call security wa kuja.
Acha hizo by the way.
Nataka ni call security wa kutoe.
Acha hizo.
Mimi sikudai kwa hii hao. Nataka ni situation peke yangu.
It don't make sense. Because I move my nini here.
Sikudai.
No, stoki.
Na kama unataka tutumie nguvu tutatumia.
Uko ujinga.
Na mimi nita call security wa kutoe. Mwambie niko na intruder hapa hivi.
But that's a jokes. Unajua tuna waste time. We have a lot of things to do. Hata tunafaa kwenda kushoot picha huko nje. Alafu unaleta jokes hapa tumalize hii video tuende.
Sidai story baby. Just go. Mimi sikudai hapa. Anymore.
Stoki.
Atitoki?
Joke makes sense. You're not making any sense. Uko na jokes mingi.
See you mimi na feel too like I just want to have a solo time here. Cheki. Kama udai kuenda acha mimi call security wa kutoe because
si call them.
Sidai hizo.
Hizo yote make sense to me. I make sense.
Haiko make sense aje?
Na feel unakuwa na jokes mingi. Na this probably one of those jokes.
Acha mimi call security basi hiyo story.
So nataka kunitupa nje alafu nirudi.
Hiyo security peta create commotion mingi acha nikutoe tu.
Zi.
Utatoka nje.
Acha hizo.
Utatoka nje.
Acha hizo.
Utatoka nje. My friend.
Acha hizo. No.
Come on.
Zi.
Acha joke. Unataka familia kwa Airbnb yenyewe. Come on.
You're the one who brought me here. Tell me that could be
Yes. I've done brought you and I'm nimechai tosheka na wewe. So can you just go? Come.
Stoki.
Bona? Come on. Come on.
Zi.
Unaenda. You are going.
No.
You are going right now. Unacheka?
Uko na jokes. Acha na mimi.
It's a prank though.
No.
It's a prank. Can you see? Guys. Here she is. Hey, say hi to my fans. Hey. Say hi. Say hi. Guys,
Go there with your friends.
subscribe to Melanin V. So guys, we got her, man. We did it. So we did it. I know she's now so angry at me. She thought I was joking at first.
That hizo jokes zako make sense.
His jokes in a bamba kweli. She says my jokes are dry, guys. What do you think? Tell me in the comment section and tell me if you think they're dry. But I know zinaweza. Yes. So subscribe to this channel for more such jokes, you know, and great content. Also subscribe to Melanin V's channel. Yes. Thank you so much for watching this till the end. Till next time. Bye.